Do you know that you can create a full mobile application using ChatGPT? Yes, you don't even need any coding skills at all. All you need to do is to input the right prompt in your ChatGPT and then you are good to go. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a full mobile application using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Okay, if you don't have any idea about the kind of mobile application to create, you can ask ChatGPT for some suggestion. So let me ask ChatGPT for suggestion. So I say suggest some simple mobile apps that I can create using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But note that ChatGPT can create even some more advanced application. But I'm just going to keep this simple. If you want to create a more advanced application, you can input some more complex prompts. So you can see the result that this gave me. So we are just going to choose any one of them. And some of them actually requires API key, but like the weather app, the recipe finder, and some other ones too. But there are a lot of free API keys online. I just search for something like recipe finder API keys, and you are going to get some free API keys. Okay, so let me just choose this to-do list app right here. I'm not going to choose this one. The next thing I want to do is that I want ChatGPT to generate some of the features that this app should have, because of those that do not have any coding skills or those that do not even know how this works. So you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate it for you. So I'm going to show you everything right here. Okay, so this is the prompt. I want to create a simple to-do list app. Can you suggest all the features that a to-do list app should? So this is the output. There's some of the features here, and these are just the essential task. These are some of the additional features, but I won't choose all these features, but you can actually choose everything. You just follow this tutorial and just use the same process like I did, but I'll just pick the important ones, because if I try to include all the features, it's going to take much time. So let me open my notepad and just copy the features that I want. Okay, I want all these essential features. They are very important. What else? So I just selected some of the features that I want. I don't want too much features so that I won't take too much time. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I will open ChatGPT again, but I want to do it in a new tab. What I want to do right now is that I want ChatGPT itself to generate prompts for me. This is kind of funny. ChatGPT generating prompt to be used on ChatGPT, but trust me, you are going to need this because not everybody are good in using prompts. So in case you are not good with prompts, then this part is for you. So let me just show you how to go about this. So I said I want to create a simple to-do list using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I want you to generate prompt that I can input in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT to generate all the codes for me. For all these features, you can actually edit some of these features to suit your taste and to suit what you actually wanted. So for me, I want to add some few features based on my personal interest. If so, you can just customize this one of the features right here. So I just added some new features, so I'll just copy it and just watch what I'm about to do here. I just pasted it and let me run this code. Okay, so this generated 6 prompts. What I want to do right now is I want to ask ChatGPT to make all these prompts more detailed, because the more your prompt is detailed, the better the result you get. Okay, this is the final result. The next thing I want to do is to copy each prompt one after the other and begin to paste it in ChatGPT. Let me just open ChatGPT again. I'm just going to copy all the prompt one after the other. Let me copy this and paste it here. So it's going to generate all the code for me. You can see the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, and there are some instructions here. For example, replacing its font or some kits with your code. It is pretty easy. All you need to do is just to open a Font Awesome account. That is, if you don't have any. To open a Font Awesome account, just go to fontawesome.com, and then you will see where you can create an account. If you don't have an account, just click on Start for free. But if you already have an account, just click here, sign in. For me, I already have an account. You just input my username and the password. and sign in. Note that if you create an account, you'll be directed to a page where they're going to show you your kits. This is the page that you'll be directed to immediately you create an account. This is the page, and just scroll. Once you scroll, you are going to see this right here. Just click it. This is the code you are looking for. Just copy this. Or before you do that, let us input our code on CodePen. Go to codepen.io, codepen.io, and this is it. Just create an account, but if you have an account, just sign in. I already have an account, so let me just create another one. Okay, so this is a new project I want to open, but once you create an account, you'll be automatically directed to this page. Okay, let me copy the HTML code from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then we are going to change this to our code. And we'll copy this and paste it right here. So this is everything we need. Okay, this is what we need. Then the CSS, paste the CSS here, and then the JavaScript. Copy the JavaScript code and paste it here also. Okay, so this is it. So this is just the basic thing we are working on. You can see toggle dark mode. This is not working perfectly yet, so we are going to correct all those ones. Let me just try to see if this will work. The calendar and the time, the add task. So this is not working yet. So let us continue with the prompts. Then the second prompt, I'll copy it. You see, this is a very easy process. You don't need to do anything at all. And then I'll just sit back and wait for the results. Once you get this, just copy this code and go back to this and paste it here. So then you see the function of this code. This code is basically to handling task. So our task should work now. Yeah, the calendar and the time. You see, this already worked. This already worked. Button is not working yet, and this edits. So we are going to add some more prompts. The next one is the completion and deletion prompts. Copy it and then paste it here. And I'm going to copy this, but I won't copy it here because it seems some CSS code is here. But let me just copy it. I will just cut the CSS code out. So let me copy this. So this CSS code, let me cut it and then I'll paste it here. Let me delete this. Okay, I think this is working. Let me put the task again. So this deletion is working. What about it completes? Yeah, this one is also working. And then the next prompt we are going to use is the editing task and local storage. Copy and paste. Okay, this is the output. We are just going to copy all this JavaScript code one after the other. Okay, so let me check. Add task. You can see you can edit it and then save it. Wow, this is really, really awesome. See, you can see, wow, I think I love this. You can delete, you can mark as complete. Okay, then for the next prompts, these advanced features, due dates, and everything, just copy the code and paste it here. Okay, let me just copy this JavaScript code and paste it. Then for the second code, which is the CSS code, I'll paste it right here. And for the third code, which is the JavaScript, I will paste it right here. So let me see the outputs. Let me just add some new task. And you can see the new task that I added. So let us go back here. And the next prompt is the dark mode toggle and final adjustments. Let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, let me copy this. All right, so you can see it right here. That is everything. I think that's all the prompts. But if you want to add some other designs, you can just check and write the list of the changes you want. Okay, I generated more prompts, and this is what I asked it to do. I said, I asked ChatGPT to suggest some more features that would make the app visually appealing, and it's suggested them. But I asked it to generate the prompts, and also input some other things I want, and then it generated this prompt. So I'm just going to input this prompt one after the other, and then I'll show you how it is done. So as you're inputting all these prompts, just keep copying and pasting. That is just the simple thing you need to do. Okay, this is the output. I will just copy this CSS code and paste it here. And what next? HTML code. Let me copy it should be in the head, should be right here. Let me just paste it here. And the next prompt, just copy, and I'm going to paste it in ChatGPT. And okay, this is the CSS code. Let me paste the CSS code. Okay, what's next? Then the colorful circles. I'm going to copy this here. Now, if you paste the code and then this doesn't change, you have nothing to worry about. It's because ChatGPT did not generate the JavaScript code needed for that. And to do that, you ask it to generate the JavaScript code, just like this, write the JavaScript code with the new classes. But if you want to edit it one after the other like this, it might be stressful. So I would advise that you just copy the whole codes and then paste it here. Just write this, and let me send this. So this is the output. I will just copy it, and let me just replace it, delete this and paste it. Okay, there is it. Then for the next prompt, let me copy this and paste it. So these are the results. So let me copy the CSS code and just paste it. Always make sure you save your changes, especially if you're working in more complex projects. To the next prompt, this is the interactive K. Let me copy this and paste. So we're almost done with this. This is just because it's a simple app. If it is a more complex app, I mean, we're going to spend hours and hours working on this. ChatGPT can do everything. Okay, let me copy this first so that I can paste it. Let me delete this and paste. To the second CSS, I'm just going to copy it and also paste. I'll see this right here. And to the third one, third CSS code, let me paste it here and let me just wait for the results. Okay, it's making sense. So, and for this, which is the fourth CSS code, I will paste it here and let me wait for the results. Let me save my changes in case anything happens. Let me rename this to Do This App and let me save this. Okay, it has been saved. So the next prompt, which is a white space and some other ones like that. Let me paste it here. So let us copy this CSS code, the first one. Let me copy it and paste it here. And let me set the changes. And the second one here. Okay, and this JavaScript, we'll copy this also and paste. Okay, so the next prompt is to create the background patterns. So what this will do is just to make it to appear very well on different devices, whether it is a larger device or a smaller device. And also this background image, I might need to remove this because it's not needed. But let me copy this and see how it works. Right, the gradient is already gone because of this background image. We didn't replace it with anything. But let me just undo this. I don't need this code. Let me just move on to the next prompt. Okay, let me copy and paste. Now let me copy this CSS and paste it right here. And this is the basic thing we need to do. So this just created a very simple mobile application for us. No, so the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to export our codes. So to export it, we are going to make use of the notepad. And first of all, create a new folder on your computer. So I created a new folder. Now let us go back to this and open your notepad. So let me copy this HTML code and paste it here. So right now I'm going to save it to this folder, and let me write index.html, and this should be all files. Don't set this as txt, just set it to all files. So index.html. So let me close this, and for the CSS, I'll paste it, and then I will save it. Let me use all files, then style.css and save. So for the next one, which is the JavaScript, so paste it here and save it as script.js. So this is set in all files, and write scripts.js. So let me save it, and let me go to this. Let me try to open this in Chrome. So this is how the app is going to work, and this is how it's going to appear on the mobile phone. You can customize this to anyone you want. You can ask ChatGPT, make a lot of prompts. You can make a lot of prompts and just input everything you need. So for the sake of this tutorial, I just kept it simple like this. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to host this on the internet, because this is currently hosted on our local disk. So let me host it on the internet. So to do this, just go to tiny hosts here. Just open the first one, and then let me convert it to a zip file. Go back here. You have to download this, the WinZip app. You can search it. You don't have it, you can just search it. So WinRAR, can search it here and just download this. So once you download it and right click on your mouse, you are going to see add to archive. Just add to archive and click on this zip format. So this is what we need. Let me just drag and drop this. Drag this and drop it here. So we have to sign up. Let me sign up with my Google account. Just fill all these ones. Okay, the site is live. So let us check out the website. This is the link of the site. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to convert this right here into a mobile application. And to do that, go to webintoapp.com. You'll find all the link in my description below, and just click get started and copy this URL and paste it here. Then give the app a name. To do this, your company name. Let me just write the guide, and then click on next. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is that we're going to set our icon. If we don't have an icon, just go to canva.com and just set an icon and click create a design. Just input custom size of it should not be a very big icon, just 512 by 512 pixels, and create a new design. I'm going to design a new icon, but if you already have an icon, then you have no issue. Just pictures of your icon. Let me just draw a circle, and let me make use of a color, be gradient, and let me search task. So you can see how this works. Note that this is a premium account, and that is why I'm able to get the images on Canva. And if you don't have a Canva premium account, you can watch my video on how to get Canva Pro for free. You can find it in my YouTube channel. Let me use this, or if I want to change this, you can just change it to your taste depending on how you want it. We download this and take this transparent background. Note that this is not available on the free version. It's only available on this transparent background is only available on the premium. But if you don't have a premium, make sure you watch the video on my YouTube channel, or if you still don't get it, you can just remove the background. You can just go to remove.pg, this website right here, and then once you export it, just paste it on this website right here, and this website will remove the background for you. So let me go back here and download it. Let me just write icon and go back to this set icon, and let me use this. The next thing we are going to do, click on make app, and you are going to get this page to sign in. So I just registered. After registering, just click on this make app and just wait for some few seconds, and this will get your app ready. So this is it. Just download this. This is ready. Just download it and click download all files. So just wait for it to finish downloading and extract this. After extracting this, open this Android, and you can see this. So just copy this to your mobile phone. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.